Why are AI layoffs sparking one-person startups? 2026. Why are AI layoffs sparking a wave of one-person startups? Because tens of thousands are losing tech jobs daily, and AI tools are reshaping how new businesses launch right now. In the first quarter of 2026 alone, more than 115,000 jobs were slashed across over 100 tech companies. This is a sharp rise from 2025 and marks the highest quarterly total since early 2023. Overall, in 2026 so far, 363 layoffs have impacted nearly 150,000 people, averaging 974 job losses daily. The U.S. tech sector is facing a major restructuring wave, largely blamed on AI advancements, which are replacing traditional roles and hiring practices. While AI is causing layoffs, it's also empowering a new entrepreneurial wave. AI tools now handle complex tasks that once needed large teams, lowering barriers to launch startups. This means individuals can start one-person companies using AI for design, marketing, coding, and more without hiring a big staff. This shift changes the business landscape by enabling more nimble, low-cost ventures. Experts warn against blindly copying AI layoff strategies. You must ask which tasks AI now handles end-to-end, and what displaced employees do next. For example, a company may replace a team of 50 with AI but redeploy staff in new roles. The key is to analyze if AI is truly replacing jobs or creating different opportunities within the company. While AI enables leaner businesses, the rapid restructuring poses risks. The tech sector's 123,000 layoffs in 2026 reflect a risky pivot that may affect job stability and market dynamics. Companies and workers must navigate this evolving landscape carefully as AI reshapes hiring and job design at an unprecedented pace. What this means for you is clear. If you've lost tech work or want to start a business, AI tools could let you build a solo startup faster than ever before. But be cautious, not all AI disruptions are equal, and understanding what tasks AI really takes over can help you adapt. Stay informed, stay flexible, and subscribe for the latest on AI's impact on jobs and business.